Okay, James, I'm going to show you how I do spline curves, how I do vector curves from 2D to 3D. First thing I'm going to do in Lightwave, I'm going to load the image I'm going to take my data from. I'm going to work on Luna's hub image, its logo, and just remember, so it won't matter. So I've got Luna's image in there, and I'm going to make it appear in the what panel was this? Bottom left panel. Right. Display options, backdrop options, bottom left, image, units up. I'm going to turn the contrast brightness down, just up a little bit so I can just see it. It's faint. It's easier to see when you're drawing when it's like that. Make it 2K so it's high resolution. Open that panel up, zoom in, and I'm going to use the Spline Create Spline Draw. This is a really nice tool. I'm sure there's an equivalent in Blender. So I'm going to start here. Is that a good start? Good place start? I'm going to start there. I'm going to put my spline line curve in. It's automatically going to create curves in between the dots. So when you're the nodes rather, when you've got not much change, you can create a longer gap between the nodes. When you're going around a tight corner, there, put a few more dots. And so you can change direction cleaner. You can edit these, make it more suitable and clean. Around the corner, leave that up there. And what we're after, rather than the messy, horrible mess that you get, that you have to tidy up and spend ages tidying up and decimating, and never quite looks quite right. I'm after a clean, crisp edge on my polygons. Around this very tight corner. You can refine all these nodes later. But I'm just going to go around quickly to give you an idea. That was a little bit off center, and I put the next one down, just smooth it out. And even though this is a bit tedious, it's a lot less tedious than trying to clean up messy polygons. And they're going to be a lot more optimized because there's going to be a lot less points. On the home stretch of this particular shape. Now we're going to go around that corner. I can't really see it, but if I just put one there, and that basically is going to draw back to here. That will connect those two dots when I freeze it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just turn the backdrop off for the moment so you can't see that in interfering with our mesh. So if I go to edit background, drop so that's a none. Now, when it's like this, you can see if there's any messiness that you want to sort out. Like this isn't smooth here. That's, uh, that isn't smooth there. I could have drawn less dots, I think. When you're happy and you fine-tuned it and made it the really nice shape that you want, I can actually go to construct and freeze, and that's going to make a mesh. So like, if you think there's too many points, you could always delete some um, to optimize even further. For instance, select the point and just, it is quite a nice curve, but if I wanted to select a point, I could just select it and then hit delete. Now that's only an outline. So, excuse me, if I wanted to make that a mesh, I'd probably have to turn it into a polygon. But now I've got those dots there, you can see how easy it would be just to convert that into a polygon, to extrude it, and it's going to be as clean as those lines. You're not going to have horrible messiness. And you might optimize it further. You could get rid of lots of dots, like every other dot on this curve. That one, 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 etc. So it's less dots. Helps when beveling too, because beveling's always a nightmare when you've got points close together. I mean, all these here, you probably don't need most of these. I'll probably get rid of those. What we're trying to do is not destroy the curve too much, but make it optimized and tidy. Dispose of both of those. You can see how easy it is now to like tidy up and make that really performant. Right, okay, that's it. Hope that's useful.